All right. So went 1-for-1 today on the trade. Basically what I was looking for. Okay. I had a bearish bias coming in today because of the weekly. Right. Same thing where we're bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily. I was conscious, and I still am conscious of the fact that we could trade up into this bearish fair value gap before we end up going lower. If I go to the 4-hour, what I was looking for, you'll actually see it better on the hourly. I was looking for this sweep of this high to take us lower. I was hoping we came for this low. This would have been my final take profit down here. But we swept this high, and it gave me the confirmation I needed once we did that to take the sell. Now, realistically, I wanted to see a sweep of this, and that had us continue for this, but I didn't aim for that with my trade, but that is the higher time frame targets that I was looking for price to go towards. But you see we swept this high. Take this alert off. We swept that high, and my confirmation came from the 1 minute here. Right, I had to wait a while to get that fair value gap. Made sure I put my stop above this high, gave it some breathing room. You actually see this fair value gap did get disrespected, but the stop loss did not. And then we went and rallied down towards my take profit. We ended up missing it by a hair because it wanted to use this as a level of support and build liquidity there. That's perfectly fine. We took partials here, and we took partials here at this level and this level. We took partials. So I only had one contract remaining of my 5 when we got down to here, so I was okay with it coming back up. Now I end up putting my stop loss, moving it to break even, or a little bit below break even, because this was actually the entry right here, somewhere along these lines. Let me see. Yeah. So this is actually the entry. Now I move my stop loss to right above this 5-minute candle right here, thinking maybe this fair value gap would get respected. We continue lower. It didn't. It took me out for a little bit more profit. And yeah, so one thing I learned from this trade was just the fact that I actually ended up and I was a little bit distracted because I was helping my brother trade as well, but I ended up with 5 contracts instead of the proper 7 for a 1% of my account to be risked. That's just because you saw I ended up calculating the risk down here. I didn't let the fair value gap fill in fully. Had a lot of things going on, so which is not good, right? You want to try to free yourself of that, but I was helping my brother trade, so it is what it is. But yeah, so nice trade overall though, made some money. It's a good day. Managed to trade well once we were in it, so that was good. Psychology wise, when we were heading up towards here, I was, accepting of the fact that it could continue and just stop us out. Luckily it didn't, so there we go.